Hey there, Tech Drop family! I have some good news to share with you today. And this isn't just any good news. Grok AI 4 is now available for everyone, and yes, it's completely free. It's being offered for free for a limited time only, so you might want to jump on this fast. And hey, I want to know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Wait. Before you get too excited, this video isn't about how to use Grok AI for free. Let me ask you something. Are you someone who wastes the whole day scrolling through endless web pages just to find one piece of information? Or maybe you do use AI, but still end up with zero efficiency when writing scripts. If that sounds like you, then this video is exactly what you need. All right, enough talk. Let's get straight into it. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. All right. First, let's make this super simple. Just head over to grok.com. Now look over here on the left. You'll see the Tasks section. Click it. Next, hit the Add New button. A pop-up appears with 3 sections: Frequency, On, and Instructions. In the Frequency section, choose if you want this task done daily or weekly. In the On section, you can set the exact time you want it done. And then Instructions, tell Grok exactly what needs to be done. Now, there's an Expert option here. That makes sure you get the best quality output. And yes, on the Grok free plan, you can schedule 2 daily tasks. Now, let me show you how to automate a task that usually wastes a ton of time. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the good stuff. I've written a prompt that says, research which AI video niches are going viral on social media right now, and write a script to create a short video like that. Let's send this to Grok AI and see what happens. Okay, task scheduled. Testing it now. Pause for effect. Yes, Grok AI nailed it. So there you have it. Any task you set up like this can be completed successfully. If you picked up even one small tip from today's video, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.